Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Elisha Academy, and I'm going to read you my book, my creative book, and my mom to help me do it. Okay, and this is my book. It's about a lost mermaid by Elisha Academy. One sunny day, Wendy and her mom are going to the toy store. The toy store is so big that there are lots of beautiful toys to choose. But when Wendy saw the pink-haired doll, she immediately loved it. After getting the doll, they went to the cashier to pay. However, the machine is broken and they need to wait some time. Wendy got bored waiting. Mom, can I please go check some toys? Okay, Wendy, just make sure you stay near and come back here. Okay. Oh, yes, Mom, thank you. Wendy is enjoying swimming around and looking at new things. She did not know that she is lost and too far away from the toy store. She does not know how to go back, and she saw a police officer. Hi, officer, I need your help. I got lost and I do not know how to go back to my mom. Hello, kid. Do you know where your mom is or even her phone number? I know her phone number, officer. Ring, ring. Hello? Mom, this is Wendy. Where are you? I'm with a police officer. She let me borrow her phone. I got lost. I'm near the bakery. I will be there. Stay with the officer. Wendy's mom was as fast as she can to go to Wendy. When she got there, Mom, Wendy, thank you, officer, for helping my daughter and making her safe. They went home. When they got home, Mom and Wendy played her new doll happily. Wendy learned now to be patient in waiting and to obey what her mom told her. She also learned to always remember the places where you go, and it is important to know and remember your parents' phone number and your home address. The end. This is the draft. This is the draft of my story.
Okay, so what kind of story did you create?
I made a fiction story.
Fiction story, and it's only a picture, or
it's a picture word book. Bye. Thank you.